Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have two looks using one palette, and the palette that I'm going to be using is the Sigma Enchanted palette. This is a brand new palette, and if it's August 13th or after August 13th, this palette is already available. This was sent to me in PR, so I wanted to share with you guys a couple of different looks that you can do using this palette. I've already done a previous tutorial using this palette, and it was a step-by-step tutorial. It's also my first impression of the palette and swatches. So if you did miss out on that video, I'm going to go ahead and link it up above for you guys. For this video, I'm going to dedicate it like strictly on completing two different looks with only music. I'm not going to be talking in the video, which I think a lot of people really enjoy because they don't like me talking, so whatever. I'm unbothered, okay? I am an affiliate with Sigma, so if you are interested in purchasing this palette, I have a discount code for you. You can use Tracey10 at checkout and you'll save 10% off of your purchase. Or you can go ahead and click the link down below in the description box, so make sure that you do check that out. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into creating two looks using this palette. This is going to be one of the eyeshadow looks that I am going to be doing because I had a lot of requests for a smoky eye, so that's what I did with this palette. And I'm also going to be doing a daytime look, so that's what you should be expecting from this video. And let's just go ahead and jump in for real this time.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you. Set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break at any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you.
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. I drive from your place. your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. I will call all your bluff, 'cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try.
Alright you guys, so that wraps it up for this video. I really hope that you guys did enjoy it. I really enjoy doing videos like this because it gives you guys an idea of what you guys can do with your eyeshadow palettes, and I like to do that with every new palette that I have. I buy palettes based on what you guys want to see, so if you guys have an eyeshadow palette in mind that you guys want me to review and do tutorials on, please let me know down in the comments, and also subscribe to my channel in case you haven't done so already. I am here 2 to 3 times a week, so I'm pretty active. Turn on post notifications so that you never miss out on any of my future videos. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.